guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how my Build-A-Bear's bag. This is my Build-A-Bear. It's a unicorn. Her name is Cotton Candy. I got her last year. She was born in February 1st, 2019. And she's 1 year old. So I'll be showing you guys what's inside her bag. So this is her clothing. It's a unicorn. Her pretty skirt, it's like a bluish color. Her cute headband and some shoes. These shoes are very cute. Next, I'll be showing you guys her bag. So her bag is this. A lot of hearts in it. It's my favorite. Inside is a some skateboards. Like she's like skating. These are really cute. They're cute. Here we have her pajamas that I got for my birthday. I have shorts, pajamas. Next we have these cute little skirt that I got, and it came with this top from Build-A-Bear. It's a JoJo Siwa shirt. This is really cute. And this skirt, it matches. And we have her hairbrush, like her fur and her hair every day. Not actually every day. And her squishy. This squishy is like her toy squishy. It's very cute. It's yellow. And yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.